Hello, hope everything's going okay. I know we've had some trouble getting together, so I thought I'd just record this YouTube video and I can tell you what some of the online community building tools that I've been using, some of my favorite ones, and why I like them, why I think they foster online learning. So the three that I'm going to talk about are the discussion board, VoiceThread, and Adobe Connect. So first I'll describe what each one is, why I like them, and why I think they foster online learning. The first one is the discussion board. It's typically built right into the software such as Blackboard, Moodle. It's a tool that you can use, and it allows the students to respond to discussion topics that you post, or they can just create discussions on their own. So, for example, you can begin the course and start engaging the students in the building an online community by posting questions about themselves. They could do an icebreaker activity where they introduce themselves, and you can have each of the students respond to each other, to at least one or two or three of the other posts. And so it gets the students involved where they have to put some information out there about themselves, as well as go in and take a look at what others have submitted and reply back. So that starts building some of the online community, some of the collaboration with the other students. So hopefully they will establish some relationships, find some similarities amongst some of the students, and start some discussions on their own. One of the other technologies that I really like is VoiceThread. VoiceThread is a technology that allows you to upload a document. It could be a PDF, could be a PowerPoint, Word docs, whatever, and you can basically do a presentation online, and you can capture yourself in video or audio or text format. My favorite would be doing some video of the instructor going through the slides or documents. And another nice thing about it is that you're able to solicit information, comments from the students. And it does not have to be synchronous. It is an asynchronous tool so that students in different time zones are able to get on. They still feel like they are collaborating in a way because they're able to see the instructor, hear the instructor, as well as view some of the comments that the other students have posted. So I think it's a really nice online community building tool. Another one is Adobe Connect, and that is a conferencing software. It can be asynchronous or synchronous. It allows the students and the instructor to get online. If it's synchronous, a synchronous event, then they would all be online at the same time. The instructor can speak. You can have video or just audio. The students who are logged in have the opportunity to raise their hands, to type in text questions, or to use their microphone and be able to submit audio comments or questions. So it's a really nice collaboration tool. It's like being in the same room, except you're can be anywhere. It can also be used asynchronously, although you won't have the benefit of being able to submit information if you're just viewing the event. So you can do a recording of what took place, so the student who is not logging on live is able to look and see what took place when they were not when the meeting actually happened. Another one that I really like is Skype. Of course, is a really great tool. You're able to use it to communicate with other students, with the instructor. You can have it installed on your computer and have it open, and then whenever somebody happens to come online that wants to communicate with you, it'll pop up a little message. So Skype is a really great tool for keeping engaged with your students and interacting with them, and it gives them the feeling that you're always there. So So when you do come online, if the student is online, it'll let them know that you are there, and they can just text message you, or you can get on with the audio as well. It's a great tool for students who are trying to work in groups across time zones, or if they just live in different cities in the same time zone even. It's a really nice collaboration tool. Even for students who live in the same city, they'll find that it's just easier sometimes to get together online using Skype than it is to have to go somewhere and meet. It's also a really cheap alternative to using the cell phone. If you have different carriers or long distance phone calls, you can get on, and even if you have to call from Skype to a landline, it's very inexpensive. So those are some of the tools. I think I listed about 4 of them that I really like. There's so many, but I tried to limit it to 4, and why I like them and why I think they will help foster your online community in your class. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to Skype me or email me, or however you want to get a hold of me. Thanks. Bye.